congressional district.
Yes, we're
So
more
dahil
interested.
3% per congressional district, yung distrito na yun, a congressman ang leader doon sa
So
Kongreso.
who are these congressmen? Senator Cheese and I would like to know who are the congressmen that your group coordinated with? Tinawagan ninyo o sila tumawag?
Ako ang nakipag-coordinate. Ako po.
Senator
Madam Chair,
Cheese.
Madam Chair, so under oath you admit that you coordinated this PIRMA initiative with congressmen since the 3% is required to be obtained per district.
Yeah, per district, yeah. That is
So,
the
Sino?
requirement.
Tamang-
Bigyan mo naman kami ng
Ba-
pangalan. Ay, sorry, Chief. Go ahead.
So tamang strategy naman yun. Sasangayon naman ako. Kung ako ho yung nasa kalagayan ninyo, per district nga naman, ko-coordinate ko talaga sa congressman po yan dahil para makuha yung 3%. Let me digress a bit, Madam Chair. Because kababayan ko tong si attorney, that's why I refer to him as Congressman Garbin because he used to be a party list representative of the party list Ako Bicol, which happens to be the same party list of the distinguished appropriations chairman of the House of Representatives. And in your various Facebook posts, I see you often in the House, Congressman Garbin. I presume you are a consultant of Congressman Chairman APRO Chair Zaldico?
I serve as the executive director of Ako Bicol Party List.
And,
So I work with Ako Bicol until now.
but I see your pictures in most of the meetings in the House, Congressman Garbin, with the Speaker, not only as Ako Bicol Chairman, which I...
That is true. That is
Pinapalo
of-
kasi kita sa Facebook eh.
That is of public knowledge that you can browse my Facebook talagang puno ng pictures ng house dahil nagtatrabaho po ako sa Ako Bicol Party List, which happens to be ang isang representante ay chairman ng Committee on Appropriation.
Just to settle that fact, Madam Chair. Now, proceeding with the question of the chairperson, Mr. Oñate, you said you contacted congressmen to get the 3% per district. Nasabi ko nga, kung ako din yung nasa kalagayan yung sinusulong to, kukontakin ko rin yung congressman dahil per district ang usapan, di naman per barangay eh. Di ba? Per district ang usapan, di naman per munisipyo eh.
Yeah,
So,
that's true.
papunta dun sa tanong ni Senator Amy, Chairman Amy, sino po yung mga congressman na kinontak po ninyo na umuo po sa inyo, natutulungan kayo na makuha yung 3%?
Kaya naman namin naisip na lumapit sa mga congressmen is
Yung mga pangalan na lang po, please. Marami po pa tayong testigo. Nandito na si
Congressman
Justice
Rufus
Carpio.
Rodriguez,
At
kinausap namin. Si
nagpapasalamat tayo.
Congressman Garbin, kinausap ko.
Sino pa po? Sino pa po?
There are
Sina
several more.
Congressman Saldico kasama at si Speaker Romualdez.
Sa Saldico, no, I didn't talk to Saldico.
Ganon po ba? Sigurado po kayo kasi marami-rami ang meeting ninyo, mga party, dinner, sabi nga ninyo, ilang beses kayo. Sigurado kayo wala si Speaker, wala si Congressman Saldico sa anumang pagtitipon?
Madam Chair, in all the meetings that transpired, none of the presence of Congressman Saldico and Speaker Romualdez was there. They were not there. Ako naman, nilapitan ni Mr. Oñate because he knew for a fact that in the 18th Congress, I was the chair of the Committee on Constitutional Amendments who defended the resolution of both houses number 2 that, pass the restrictive economic provisions of the Constitution.
With due respect to Congressman Garbin, may we just recognize the chairperson because they're flashing a very important picture on screen.
I received this photo, and I believe it was one of the meetings that you alleged, Mr. Oñate. Can you identify the people in the photograph?
Why can't they show the photo?
Yeah, we're trying to enlarge the picture to share it with everyone in the room. There we go. I think that's as big as we can get it.
pwede-
People's Initiative for Charter Change, staff meeting, January 8. Can you tell us who are in the picture, Mr. Oñate, please?
Madam Senator.
But you just
The question is
That
who,
was-
sir?
But you
that
said
was the
you
time-
never
that
had
was the
any
time
meetings.
that I coordinated with the speaker.
You said you never met the speaker, nor Mr. Saldico, our congressman. You're under oath, sir.
Yes, that was the time that I met with the speaker.
Sasabi mo lang na
to-
hindi naman kayo nagkita. Sabi nyo sina Congressman Garbin lang.
Yeah, because you know, it slipped my mind. It slipped my mind, Madam Senator. That was the
Okay
time
lang,
that
okay
I,
lang.
that, that
Kung
I
nakalimutan
sought, that
ninyo
was the
bigla,
time that I sought the
is
help of the
Speaker Martin
speaker
Romualdez supporting your group?
to help
Is
us
he-
in the signature campaign. Yes.
Okay, so it's very clear that Speaker Martin Romualdez is supporting your group po. He is all out behind the People's Initiative. Is that correct?
Yes, we coordinate with the speaker and the
Thank you very
congressman
much,
in
and I'll,
getting the
give it
3%
back
per
to-
congressional district. That's correct, Madam Senator.
Thank you very much for helping us along with this investigation. I'd like to turn it back to Senator Cheese.
I'll wind up, Madam Chair. That was the point I wanted to establish, Madam Chair, distinguished colleagues, na maliban dun sa mga kongresistang binanggit nyo, baka kung si Speaker Romualdez nakalimutan yung banggitin, siguro mas marami pa kayong ibang nakalimutang banggitin. So, sa pagkakaalala nyo, kesa magpakita pa ho kami ng ibang litrato, sino pa pong mga kongresista ang nakausap nyo para makakuha ng pirma sa kada distrito?
As I have said
With the
earlier,
permission, Madam Chair, with the permission of Congressman Garbin, the question is being addressed to Mr. Oñate. Since he is the lead convener here and merely asked for the help of Congressman...
he's not the lead convener, Madam Chair, for the record.
You
We,
just said so.
He
I'm
just said so.
confused.
for PIRMA, but there's a different movement. PIRMA is just one of the movements for the Bicolanos understand what they've said.
Si Attorney Abad, na inamin ni Mr. Oñate na isa daw sa mga conveners nila ng pirma. Di po ba? So, is Attorney Abad part
The
of
volunteers.
Ako Bicol or the new organization you put up, or is he part of pirma?
Not part of Ako Bicol, not
It's
part
part of
of PIRMA, but
It's part
when
of
he
PIRMA.
started independently as an advocate of this People's Initiative.
Kaangkin lang po ni Mr. Oñate na bahagi si Attorney Abad ng pirma.
Yes.
Sinabi niyo po kanina. Hanggang ngayon po, sinasabi niyo.
He is part
So-
of PIRMA.
So,
But, you know, the only thing is, I think the lawyers forgot, is because the first batch of the forms that were printed, the name of Attorney Abad was used. But the subsequent forms are now PIRMA.
okay.
Because the first batch was Anthony Abad.
Okay, ngayon, matanong ko po kayo. So kayo yung nagpa-print ng form na Attorney Abad? Yes or no?
Yeah, well, I did.
Yes or no, sir?
I didn't have a hand in the printing of the forms.
No?
No.
So no. Okay.
Kayo po ba yung nagpa-print ng form na may pirma na nakalagay? Wala ng Attorney Abad?
Yes.
Kayo po yung nagpa-print?
Yeah, the subsequent
Yes.
forms that were printed, pirma na.
Pirma na po.
Oo.
Ilan
Ang
po
nangyari
yung-
lang yung mga naunang form, Anthony Abad.
Sino po yung nagpa-print ng convener niyo po si Attorney Abad?
Mga volunteers po.
Mga volunteers
Mga
po.
volunteers ang nagpa-print.
Eh yung pirma mismo na nakalagay, kayo na nagpa-print.
Oo, yung law firm. Sila.
Magkano po ginastos nyo sa pagpapaprint ng form na may pirma?
I don't have the exact figures right now. Let me consult with.
Please
my
ask him.
lawyer.
Yeah, I'm sure they should know. You knew this was going to be discussed.
Well, what I know is that the figure that I know, I don't know the figure regarding the printing of the forms. But the figure that I know is the airing of the advertisement. That's the figure that I know.
Pupunta po tayo doon.
The-
Doon muna tayo sa, mas mahal po yun eh.
The advertisement cost 55 million. ABS-CBN, TV5,
Madam Chair?
and GMA 7.
Yes, if
But
Senator Cheese will
printing,
allow, sorry.
I don't have the figures.
So although you printed the forms with the pirma at the bottom, you have no clue how